Parasoft Load Test enables users to take their test files, complete with extractions, data driving, and data validations, and use them to perform load performance tests under applications. To create our performance test, select a TST file and select some basic starting load configurations. Here we can select starting shape of our load, length of the execution, performance criteria, and more. This can all be modified, but it provides us a starting point that we can build upon. A limitation that teams can run into when starting the load testing journey is resources. It can be very expensive to allocate a machine that is powerful enough to push thousands of hits per second. Parasoft Load Test can use load test agents to spread this load across multiple machines to reduce the need of a powerful monolithic machine. Load Test makes it easy for users to configure different performance profiles to mimic the expected load from different types of users that would be interacting with your application. Additionally, the hits per second or the numbers of users can be customized with additional points and more complex graphs. The performance test can be initialized either from the command line for your automation pipeline or through the desktop. In the desktop, we will see the live data that will be placed in the report. For example, Load Test displays the number of active virtual users, test completion and error rates, as well as minimum, maximum, and average execution times. You can also add additional metrics by connecting a monitor to observe the performance of an external application during the test. For example, a Tomcat monitor will allow you to monitor the performance of a Tomcat server while it is being tested.